but it's really simple. So I'm going to hit log in, and you need to go ahead and put your first and your last name in. So my name is Fred Flintstone, town of Bedrock at hotmail.com. And then you will create your password. It's probably one of those things that has to be 8 characters and a couple of numbers in there. Just check them, agree to the terms of use. Everybody checks that. Nobody means it. It's okay. This is a free account. I would not recommend you log in with Facebook. That just complicates things. Just create an account that's easy for you to remember and a password that you can use with your parents' email or somebody that can help you, okay? What's going to happen once you have your account, you'll be able to log in. So I'm going to go here to the login button. You should see my cursor. I've already got my email, my password. You can even say remember me so it never kicks you off again. This is really convenient to have. I'm going to log in. Up here, you've probably used this before. It's how we do it in class. Hang on, baby. I'm going to go to Romans 3. And this is the translation. Most of you guys have figured this one out too. You want the English Standard Version here because that's the standard version that I gave you. That's the version that I gave you on your worksheets. Okay? I'm going to hit search. Now because I have my login, I can highlight like I do in class. Just cover this and you'll have a little prompt right here. It takes it a second to pull up. And your instructions will say highlight this in red, blue, green, or yellow. There you go. If you ever want to take something off, you can go back up here, clear it out. Okay. If you ever need to highlight within a highlight, you can say, go to red here. You might have to right click to get it to pull up. And I'm going to highlight Jew in the middle of this, and you can go to yellow here. And so it is kind of faint. It makes it really easy to read the text, but it does kind of hard to see the colors. But if you can't print on your off your Documents tab on RenWeb, you can use this. Now, on the lesson plans, you should be able to see this here. I am putting the Romans 3 in the Documents tab, and it says it displays in Family Portal. I don't know exactly what that looks like because when I sign up as a teacher, it throws it. So if you have any questions, I think you want to go to your Documents. So here is your upload as well. Hang on. I'm taking you through all the trouble to do this, but here it is. So it is in the Acts Romans. And so I'm putting that up there for you as well. If you guys have any trouble, again, text or email me. But you should be looking for a Romans 3 worksheet. Listen, it's reference for 2020 C19. It just helps me keep track of the stuff, and you'll know what to look for. Your lesson plans, I'll upload those in a few minutes. Today, I just want you to read the passage of Scripture very carefully. I don't like it when you skim stuff for questions, to get answers to questions. I want you to read this, look at your lesson plans for the understanding part, and then tomorrow you can answer the questions pretty quickly, okay? Recognize this. I'll go ahead and show you. When you're reading Blue Letter Bible, this section right here, that's Old Testament quotes. You need to recognize those, okay? Anyway, you guys' attention span only lasts about 5 minutes, and so this video has been about 5 minutes. Hope you found everything you need. Text me or email me if you have any questions, because it's always easier to get me that way when I can see what you're writing. Good luck today. Don't drive your parents crazy, and y'all have fun, get some rest, get a lot of schoolwork done, and keep your grades up, all right? Stay on task. See you guys.